Hey guys, long time no ride along. I got so much crap from this tree on my car here. I haven't driven it in about 4 or 5 days. It's covered in stuff falling off of this here tree. It's been windy and raining and all that crap. But we're going to the supermarket today, 'cause I'm plumb out of milk and all kinds of stuff. All the stuff blowed off my car. About 70 degrees right now, noontime, Tuesday, the 11th, April 11th. I'll take the scenic route by the hospital, just because I can. Looks like we got a crazy homeless person standing in the middle of the road here. Yes, sir, that's what we got. Crazy homeless person. I don't know what he's doing, standing there talking to himself, I guess. You know something, I'm going the wrong way. I'm not going to the dollar store, I'm going to the supermarket. Well, let me correct this situation. I was on my way to the dollar store. What the hell? That ain't right. I'm gonna have to see if my buddy's in down here at his garage, because I got a weird phone call Saturday night saying, hey, come on down, this is so-and-so. And I have no idea who it was. They was obviously pretty drunk or mentally impaired in some way. But they were slurring their words in a text message. You could feel them slurring. Damn, I'm all stuffed up. Hauling. I've never gone this way with you recording before. I'm about 3 or 4 streets down from the route I usually take. All these streets are like a checkerboard. Square blocks for miles and miles. I don't think I'm going to stop at my buddy's today. It wasn't that important. No, that's not the street I want. Next one is, I think, maybe 2 more. Here we go. Yeah, that's the right one. Back on the main drag. got some new batteries from my Bushnell critter cam there. That thing I can go 3 or 4 sessions without charging the batteries. They stay charged a lot longer. I got the lithium batteries this time. Rechargeable lithium. So far they lasted 3 times as long. Haven't picked up a lot of good footage though, so that's why I haven't done any of those yet. Just birds and the squirrels. Well, they're really giving the DMV a motor lift there, a facelift. And it's still open at the same time while they're doing it. I gotta get down there. I gotta renew my license this year before the end of August. Gotta go get my eyes checked again. Haven't had them checked in probably 7 or 8 years. I do wear a prescription to drive. It's the only thing I need it for. I don't need it to read or walk around or do anything. Just to drive. The vision, the hair off when I try to read the thing they put up there. You gotta do the eye test. I have a very mild prescription. But I'm sure it's getting worse, so I better go get them checked. I'll do that sometime next 3 weeks probably. And I'll try to get it all took care of. Get my license renewed for another 5 years, or whatever it is, 5 years, 4 years, I don't know. I think it's 5. But for today, just a few groceries. Milk, baby back ribs, pork spare ribs, a couple racks of those. Usually get one, you get one free, so I usually get 2 of those. I love them. I'll have them about maybe either once or twice a week. I'll cook a rack. It'll last me a couple of days. Maybe 3 days sometimes. Get me a couple Hungry Man fried chicken dinners, you know, gotta have those. Those are a staple of my diet. Or I might just go to Chicken Express and buy like 20 pieces of chicken. Warm up a couple pieces every day. That don't usually work out though. Usually I only eat about half of it. Then the other half gets beyond reheating, so I just end up giving them to the critters or something. And they're very expensive to buy a bucket of chicken nowadays. Probably 50 bucks for 20 pieces of chicken. It's crazy. Fucking nuts. Anywho, I haven't seen grocery prices going down at all in the last several months. They just keep going up. Pisses me off. So people can't even afford to eat no more. And we're here. That's a nice Ford truck here, white one. 4x4. Alright, I'll be back, folks. I will be back. Done. It was under 30-minute grocery shopping. All good. I turn on the air conditioning. All that shopping made me warm and fuzzy. Story for you. I was yanking on something in the back of the Tahoe the other day trying to get it out. It was stuck in there. I was yanking and yanking and yanking. All of a sudden my hand slipped and let go of what I was pulling on and smacked myself right in the mouth. Just about knocked myself smooth out. Made me dizzy and everything. Boy, it hurt. My lip got cut and swelled up. My upper lip. Still feel it. Still kind of puffy. I gotta learn to stop punching myself in the face. It's not a fun thing. It hurts. I could have hurt myself real bad. Thought I broke my jaw. Jesus, it's terrible. Yes, that really happened. I know nobody else has ever done that before, smacked himself, working on a car, having a ratchet slip, tear your knuckles off. It don't happen to nobody, that only happened to me, right? First time I ever punched myself in the face, though. That lip thing's pissing me off. It's annoying. I'm pretty bored this morning. Ain't really got nothing to talk about. Like I overslept this morning. I slept right up till 7 o'clock this morning. Usually I'm up at 4 or 5 in the morning. Oh hell, I got this road blocked off down here still. Someday I'll come by here and they won't be working on this no more. It might be a couple of years away. I got 2 full racks of pork ribs for about $14 for both racks because you get one for free. That's pretty cool. Got some other odds and ends. You're gonna buy more of that long, you know, them long rolls of tin foil there. Because when you cook the pork ribs there, you have to put them in the oven for like 3.5 hours. What in the fuck? Does nobody know what a fucking stop sign is? Jesus Christ. What the fuck is wrong with these people? Anyway. 3 of them fuckers just pulled right out there. But I was paying attention. I can talk and pay attention at the same time. It's amazing. Anyway. Where was I? Oh yeah, the long tin foil. About as long as your arm. You need that when you cook it. Cook those pork ribs. Cook them 3.5 hours at 275. Take off the tin foil off, you know, keep them covered. Put tin foil on the bottom, tin foil over the ribs. Then you pull the tin foil off the top. Put the oven on broil. Stick it back in there for 4 minutes flat. Rub down your sauce or whatever you want to put on top of it there after you pull the tin foil off. Stick it in the broiler for 4 minutes. No longer, or you'll burn them. And you pull it back out, and you're ready to rock and roll. And they good too. So I got some more of that. Those Ziploc bags, those big Ziploc bags. I got like 8 or 9 pieces of pre-cooked chicken. Gallon of milk. I broke down and bought some soda. I haven't bought any soda in weeks. Probably been 2 months since I bought any soda. Buy the mini cans, them 8 ounce, little 7.5, 8 ounce cans, whatever they are. And that way they don't get warm before I finish drinking them. I can't wait to watch this video. I want to see them cars pulling out in front of me. See if I was hallucinating or not. I don't think I was. Damn overpass is noisy today, ain't it? Back to the castle. Oh, I just barely made that light. Just barely. Homeless people on the corner. Hello, homeless people. You hungry? Yeah, me too. That was mean. I'd have tossed them out some chicken, but it's way in the back. Don't get up on my ass, I'm turning here. Go. Ooh, smell of fresh cut grass. They just mowed my neighbor's big old empty lot here. It smells good. Alright, we're home. Time to back in. Time to do it. I even got my front lawn mowed here this week. It was getting awful. Had to wait for them to get done messing around them telephone lines or whatever it was they were doing. Allegedly. They're done now. Alright folks, you have a good one. Talk to you later. Love you. Bye.